Hello, today we are exploring the Foxglove. It's a unique home with an open floor concept and sustainable features. As we step inside, we are greeted by the hallway that connects us to two of the main bedrooms and a bathroom. The bathrooms have been designed with water-efficient faucets and high-performance toilet to conserve water without sacrificing functionality. For more information about this particular home, I'm going to leave my information in the description box below. On this side of the home, you can find the laundry room and one additional bedroom. Please let me know in the comments your thoughts about this floor plan. This is the heart of the home where it connects the living room, the kitchen, and dining area, and is easy to connect with your family on your day-to-day activities. The kitchen is fully equipped and it has a very spacious pantry. Please subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos about home tours, neighborhood tours in Orlando, and provide tips for home buyers. On this side of the home, you have the private suite, which is separate from the rest of the bedrooms. It's a space that provides comfort and added privacy. Meritage Home is very well known for spray foam insulation, which can provide energy efficiency, keeping your bill low, and also your house very comfortable during the summertime. It's time to go check that backyard. The backyard has a covered lanai, which is great for added shade, and you can add some tables and chairs where you can enjoy your outdoors. Thank you for watching this home tour. Stick around to watch my next home tour.